Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how you can reset Royal Match. In order to do so, here we are in Royal Match, and what we're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. We want to select the settings icon, and then from here what you're looking for is the option that says support. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you'll see that you have a variety of options. What you're looking for is the option that says My Game Progress. And then here you can see the option that says Account Deletion. So you're going to have to go ahead and select Account Deletion. And then here, if you read through the information, it will tell you that you need to click on the Contact Us button up at the top right-hand corner. Or if you click on No at the bottom and tap on Contact Us, then you can write Delete My Account in the chat window that appears. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and click on the Contact Us button here at the top right-hand corner. So then from here, all you're going to do is type in delete my account and send that off, and be informed that it may take up to 7 days for your account to be deleted and your game to be reset. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.